11.3 number 2 gives us a function, and then they're asking us to use the limit process to find the slope of the graph of the function, and then at that specified point we will find the actual slope, right? So, and then it says you can confirm with your graphing calculator, but we're just going to do the x plus h rule. So take a look at your function, which is right here, this one, and anywhere you see an x, just leave that open. And then what I want you to do the first time is put this input, which is x plus h. So we're going to put x plus h's into those open spots. Then the second part of the numerator in the x plus h rule is that minus f of x. So remember, I want you to get in the habit of putting down parentheses. So when you subtract, everything in the parentheses will get the negative sign. So now all you have to do is put your function in there. And then of course this is all over h. All right, so remember x plus h and x plus h, which is this part right here, I'm squaring it, is x squared plus an xh plus an xh plus an h squared. So if you FOIL it or box method, so what this is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. So now I can distribute everything. So the 2 will distribute through, which is 2x plus 2h. This negative 2 distributes to these three terms. So that's negative 2x squared, negative 4xh minus 2h squared. Then distributing here, I get negative 2x, and I get a positive 2x squared, and that's all over h. And I guess I should have been writing what's the limit as h goes to 0. That'll help us when we get to this next step. So there's a negative 2x right here, and there's a positive 2x there, and there's a positive 2x squared there, and there's a negative 2x squared there. So what we notice is that the things left on top all have h's in them. So what I'm going to do is the limit as h goes to 0. I'm going to take the h out front. So from this one, there's a 2 left. From this one, just the negative 4x. And then when you look at this one, there's still one, the h is still there, so it's negative 2h because there are 2 of them right there. And this is all over h. So this now allows me to cross off the h's, and as soon as I do that, plugging in 0 won't give me an undefined term, and now I can plug my 0 in for h, so the only thing left is that 2 minus 4x. That is called the derivative, or the tangent line. So now the final step, remember, is they want us to use that 3, negative 12. So I would say at x equals 3, my slope, right, m is for slope, simply is 2 minus 4 times 3. So that's 2 minus 12, which gives me negative 10. So once you have this derivative, or tangent line it's called, go ahead and plug the x value in. Now if you graph it and look at it, it would look okay.